want to thank Edo people, first of all, for voting for me. I knew that their vote is a sign of progress. What you are seeing today is a dream come true. That Edo people have been in the wilderness for a very long time. Thank God they shine their eyes, they choose to follow the path of Lagos this time around. I want to thank the FCT minister for standing by us. When I mean us, for standing by Edo people. If I do not have a father like the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the man who cares so much for Edo people and for the South-South, how can we thank him? I simply said, it's an advice. Don't come to Edo without telling me. Was I chewing hot yam? Do I need 1 + 3 to make my sentence?
No!
Do I need to read encyclopedia for people to understand what I'm saying?
No!
My job is not only to work for Edo people. My job is to save the life of every Edo citizen and visitors coming into Edo. If telling him to notify me as the chief security officer of this state is a crime, so be it. I have no regret about it. I repeat it, before you come into Edo State, notify me. It's not a threat. Let me not dwell on things that are not relevant. To Edo people, we have made our statement clear. I don't know which one is paining them. Is it because I said they don't have shishi? Do they not say they don't have shishi? So why are they crying?
As it dey pain them, it dey sweet us. As it dey sweet us, it dey pain them.
Now, I went through the same process. I was advised when I came into Benin Airport by the then Commissioner of Police under Obaseki. He said, "Oh, you are here." I said, "Yes, I'm here." He said, "Please remain at the airport." I ignored that advice and I went out. Inside the airport, at the gate of the airport, my policeman was shot dead. Right in my eyes, Inspector Akko. I have security report. I have advised the former governor of Anambra State. If he like, let him take it. If he like, let him not take it. If he like, let him dwell on social media. It doesn't concern me. We in Edo State, our duty is to continue to thank the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The man that loves Edo so much. He's doing it for us. He's funding us. And he's monitoring it. This is a man that believes in practical governance. His Renew Hope agenda has transformed this country. His policies has transformed this country. What else do we need again? So we have nothing to worry about at all. Come 2027. Come 2027. 2027. 2.5 million votes. It is guaranteed in Edo. I am not joking. We are going to deliver it. I want to say a big thank you. Edo line is open today for the progress for Edo people. Thank you and God bless you all.